Hi and welcome to the Swanley Computers YouTube channel. These videos are completely unscripted and are designed solely for our own customers to answer all those frequently asked questions we get on a regular basis. And by following these videos, you should be able to carry out a number of tasks. Today, we're going to look at how to do a backup, probably the single thing that we're asked most often. Now, normally I would say to customers, will go to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and type in the search box, but some of you won't have the search box here. So simply go along to the right-hand side, right-click it, go up to search. You'll see that hidden is ticked, so you come down to show search box. There it is. This is a very useful thing, this search box. So here we're going to type up the word backup. If you've got OneDrive, it will ask you to sign in and back the files up to OneDrive. But as we're assuming you don't have OneDrive, we're going to back it up using file history. And it will automatically back up your files. And all you do is click on from off to on. That's it. That really is it. So you can click on more options. This will take you to the file history dialog box. And in here you have various options. At the moment, the size of the backup is nothing. We have 931 gigs available. Data has not yet been backed up. It's set to back up every hour and keep my backups. The default is forever. And if you scroll down these folders on the left-hand side, you'll see all the things that it's going to back up. So what we're going to do now is choose Backup now, and it will begin the backup progress. And that's it. Somewhat unfortunately, it doesn't actually tell you how it's progressing. So the important thing to do is to leave it and leave your computer on for a while to allow it to do the backup. But in the meantime, we're just going to check, see what's happening. So we can close that window temporarily, go back to File Manager, go back to our SCL backup. It's already created a folder called File History, and what you have to do is drill down. Clicking on these icons means you're called drilling down. When you get to this one, configuration and data, you don't want the configuration, you want the data, because that's the stuff you're looking at. Your data is nearly always in drive letter C. Just keep clicking, and here you can see it's already got folders for contacts, desktop, downloads, favorites, links, OneDrive, and some more have just popped up, including documents, which is the important one, but as yet there's nothing in it. So what I tend to do is to make sure that if it is backing up, I'll simply go to Word, I'll create a document handily called Tester Day 3. Oh, no, I won't. Can't actually find that one. So what I'll do is I'll go to Microsoft Word, go to a blank document, type in test, 3rd of the 8th, 2025. I'll save that into the documents folder, test 3, click on save. I've now saved that into my documents folder, and I can prove that by clicking on documents and see test 3. Now, I do this probably once a week. The reason I do it is because if my file history is backing up every hour, when I take a look at the file history, I would expect that file to be in there within an hour. So if I go to SCL Backup now, go to my file history, drill down, go to Documents, there's still nothing there because we're still within the first hour's frame. So I'm just going to put the video on hold for a few seconds, and then we'll wait and see if that folder appears. And if you do that on a regular basis, you can ensure that file history is working and it's copying over any new or changed files. Okay, so that should be long enough. We're now going to go to the File Explorer. We're going to have a look at SCL Backup. we have to drill down somewhat laboriously through this lot, get to data, C drive, users. You'll have different names here, but just keep on clicking basically. And what will happen is when you get to documents, aha, there we have it. Our test 3 has been saved at 1912, and the time currently in the bottom right hand corner, as you can see on the screen, is 1914. That's it. That really is all there is to it. But the first time you do it, you should really leave your computer on overnight so it does a full backup. So that's how to do a backup using file history. There are other various things that you can do, and we shall of course look at how to restore things in the future. Hope you found this useful. If you would like us to do other videos for you, you can simply send an email to youtube@swanleycomputers.com. Again, thanks for watching this unscripted video, and we hope to have a few more up quite soon. Thanks and goodbye.